Good morning, student. Now, next question means we already take 3 questions in the previous video. So, remaining 3 questions we will take in this video. Question number 4: if PQ parallels to ST, this PQ and this ST, these are the two parallel line. अब पैरेलल है इसका मतलब इसको हमने एक्सटेंड भी किया तो भी समझ में आएगा कि ये दोनों कैसी है, पैरेलल. Angle PQR is equals to 110 and angle RST is equals to 130. We find the angle QRS. QRS means this angle we want to find. Got it? So for that we can draw PQ parallels to AB, passing through पॉइंट R. हमने क्या करना है, एक R से लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है जो R से जाएंगी और किसको पैरेलल रहेंगी, PQ को. अब PQ इज पैरेलल टू ST है और AB इज पैरेलल टू क्या है, PQ. इट मींस दैट PQ पैरेलल टू AB पैरेलल टू ST. तो तीनों लाइन आपस में कैसी होगी, पैरेलल. So PQ is parallel to AB and AB is parallel to ST because PQ is parallel to ST. So all the three lines are parallel to each other. Now here we want this angle. ये angle हमको चाहिए तो हम कैसे find out करेंगे? See here. Can we say that these two angle are interior angle? ये जो दो angle है, ये दो angle क्या है? Interior angle है यहाँ पर. Means here ST is parallel to AB, therefore what we say, angle SRB plus angle RST is equals to 180 degree because they are the interior angles. क्यों interior angles supplementary है? Because the lines are parallel. As the lines are parallel, then interior angles are supplementary. Therefore, SRB is equals to SRB we don't know, so SRB plus angle RST, that is 130 degree, is equals to 180. Therefore, angle SRB is equals to what we will get, 180 minus 130. So angle SRB is equals to 50 degree. Angle SRB is equals to 50 degree. अब यहां तक ध्यान में आ गया. अब ये तो आ गया आपका 50 डिग्री. Got it? अब देखिए, चेक करिए. PQ is parallel to AB. We can write as a PQ is parallel to what? AB. Because it is given or construction. बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. यहां पे क्या किया था हमने? कंस्ट्रक्शन किया था. So as PQ is parallel to AB and QR is the transversal. कौन सी ट्रांसवर्सल है? And QR is transversal. तो ये यदि ट्रांसवर्सल है, so naturally these two angle, which one? PQR and QRB, these two angles are equal. So angle PQR is equals to angle QRB because they are the alternate angles. ये दोनों एंगल कौन से हैं? अल्टरनेट एंगल. तो अल्टरनेट एंगल होने के कारण ये दोनों कैसे रहेंगे? इक्वल रहेंगे. Therefore PQR is equals to what? 110 is equals to. अब QRB चेक करेंगे. QRB में दो एंगल है. एक है एंगल QRS प्लस एंगल SRB. दो एंगल को मिला के QRB मिल गया. Therefore what we write here, 110 is equals to QRS, एंगल QRS प्लस SRB कितना है आपका? 50 डिग्री, जो आपने फाइंड आउट किया 50 डिग्री. Therefore what we write here, 110 minus एंगल माइनस कितना 50 is equals to angle Q Got it? Therefore, angle QRS is equals to 110 minus 50, that is of equals to 0 minus 0, 0, 11 minus 5, that is 6. It means 60 degree. Therefore, angle QRS is equals to 60 degree. Now next question, question number 5. AB is parallel to CD, and angle APQ is equals to 50 degree. This is APQ. Angle PRD is equals to 127. This angle PRD. Find x and y. Okay. So for the solution, we first consider which one? AB is parallel to CD. As AB is parallel to CD, then it is given information. AB is parallel to CD, it is given. Therefore, can we say that this angle is equals to this angle? Because they are the which angle? Alternate angles. Got it? So angle, which one? APQ is equals to PQR. Angle PQR, because they are alternate angle. कौन सा angle है ये? Alternate angles. And as they are the alternate angle and the lines are parallel, then alternate angles are equal. APQ is equals to 50 degree, and the measure of angle PQR is equals to x. Therefore, x is equals to 50. The value of x is equals to 50. Now we can find the value of y by using exterior angle theorem also, because PRD is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. तो PQR का exterior हो गया PRD. So 127 is equals to x plus y. ये भी निकाल सकते हैं हम लोग. यहाँ से भी y find out कर सकते हैं. या फिर another what we can apply? Can we say that angle APR means this angle, this complete angle and this angle, they are the alternate angles also. So by using that also we can find the value of y. So here we write which one? AB is parallel to CD. It is given, and as they are parallel, and which one is the transversal? PR is the transversal, and PR is transversal. Therefore, what we consider angle APR is equals to angle PRD, because they are alternate angles. They are alternate angles. Now, APR having two angles, that is 50 plus y is equals to PRD, that is of equals to 127. Therefore, y is equals to 127 minus 50. Therefore, y is equals to 7 minus 0, 7. 12 minus 5, that is of equals to 7. So y, the value of y is equals to 77. Means x is equals to 50 and y is equals to 77. So here next question 6. Mirror M and N are two parallel mirror. Means these two lines are parallel. So as these two lines are parallel, and here we draw the normal. Normal is nothing but the perpendicular. So if this is of your normal and this is another normal, so can we say that these two normals are equal? Means these angles mean these two normals are parallel to each other, and it means two mirrors are parallel. So as a BQ for solution, QB perpendicular to the first normal, or we can say that line M, and PA is perpendicular to line N. So as line M is parallel to line N, therefore QB is parallel to PA. बोल सकते हैं हम लोग ये दोनों लाइन पैरेलल है, ये परपेंडिकुलर है लाइन पे, तो दूसरा लाइन पे भी ये परपेंडिकुलर है. It means these two lines are parallel to each other. These two lines are parallel to each other. Now this is parallel, okay, this is of your 1. Here what we consider, this is of your incident ray dB, this is the incident ray, this is reflected ray. तो ये हो गया आपका रिफ्लेक्शन. अब ये जो आ गया ये आ गया इंसिडेंट रे और ये हो गया आपका रिफ्लेक्शन रे. ओके, सो यू नो दैट एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट इज इक्वल्स टू द एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. सो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट is equals to angle of reflection. Angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. Therefore this is 1 is equals to 2 and 3 is equals to 4. Therefore angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and angle 3 is equals to angle 4. This is of equation number 2. Now as QB is parallel to PA, so angle 3 is equals to angle 2 because they are the alternate angle. दिखाई दिया आपको? देखो ये QB लाइन आ गई, ये आ गई PA लाइन और ये आ गया आपका इंसिडेंट रे. So this is of your 3 and this is of your 2. So as these two lines are parallel, so 2 is equals to 3. We can write because they are the alternate angles. ये कौन से angles है ये? Alternate angles. Now we multiply both side by 2. किससे multiply करेंगे? 2 से multiply करेंगे. So twice of 3, angle 3 is equals to twice of angle 2. हमने 3 को भी 2 से multiply किया और 2 को भी angle 2 से multiply किया. Twice of 2, so 2x का मतलब क्या हो गया? x plus x. So twice of 3 means क्या हो गया? Angle 3 plus angle 3 is equals to twice of angle 2 means what? Angle 2 plus angle 2. Now from equation 2, what we write here? From 2, what we write? 1 is equals to 2 है, तो ये 2 की जगह 1 रख सकता हूँ मैं और ये 3 की जगह क्या रख सकता हूँ? 4 रख सकता हूँ. Therefore angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to angle 2 plus angle 1. So 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 means this angle. So this angle become DBA. So angle DBA is equals to 1 plus 2 means which angle? BAC. Angle BAC. Okay, but they are the alternate angle. ये कौन से एंगल है? Alternate. चेक करो, ये आ गया DB, ओके, ये आ गया BA और ये आ गया AC. दिखाई दिया Z आपको? So they are the alternate angle and these two are the alternate angle. Therefore line DB is parallel to what? AC. Therefore AC or SCA is parallel to what? BD because they are the alternate angle test as they are by using alternate angle test. Alternate angle test. So because of the alternate angle test, as the alternate angles are equal, then the lines are parallel.